In this video, I want to show you how to split field in attribute table of ArcGIS. For example, I have these polygons. If I right click and open the attribute table, I have this field which combines about 3 attributes. I have the state ID, the state name, and the household number in one field. In a situation where I want to split these attributes into individual field, so let me show you how to do that. To do that, the first thing to do is to create field in which you want to separate or split them. So I will come to table option and click on add field. So let's call this field state ID. Then the type will be text and the length, let's say 5, and click on OK. Then we will create another field by coming to table options, click on add field. This one, let's call it name. Then click on here and select text, and then let's say 30 and click on OK. Then the last field we want to create, click on table options, click on add field, and let's call it number of household. And then we are going to select text and click on OK. As it is, this is what to do. Come to this first one and right click on top, click on field calculator, click yes. So when it opens, select Python and select string. Then we are going to indicate the field we want to split, and that is this very field called combine. So we will double click here, combine. It has selected it. Then come to these very functions, scroll down, you will see split. Here is it, split. Double click to enter it. So inside this split, we are going to enter inverted comma and the delimiter between the attributes. So in this case, I will enter inverted comma or quotation mark. Then look at the field you want to split. You can see that between each of these attributes, there are double spaces. So just look at it. For instance, between this one and Abia, there are double spaces. So I will come here after the first quotation mark, just enter space space and then close the quotation. Then come outside this comma and enter this bracket. Then the first column will be 0, the second column will be 1, and the third column will be 2. So the first column here will be 0. So enter 0 and close the bracket. So after you have done this, let me move it. After you have done it, click on OK. It will run. You can see it has moved all this state ID into this field. Now for the second field, which is state name, so come here, right click on top and click on field calculator, click yes. So this case, the function is the same. The only difference is that for the second field here, you are going to enter 1. So remove the 0 and enter 1. Then click on OK. You can see it has moved the state name into this very field. Then for the last field, which is the number of household, right click on top and click on field calculator, click yes. Then here is going to be 2. Inside this bracket, instead of 1, it will be 2 this time around, and then click on OK. So you can see it has moved the number of household into this field. So you can see that this very combined field, we have been able to separate it into individual field. So the 3 field, state ID, state name, and number of household in each state was initially combined, and now you can see we have separated them into individual field. So this is how to split field in attribute table of ArcGIS. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any comments, let's know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.